Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Payal, today will be showing you a tikki recipe using sweet potato called Sweet Potato Tikki. So to make the sweet potato tikkis, the first step would be to take some sweet potatoes which are boiled and mashed it. To this we'll add some finely chopped coriander, some chilli powder, turmeric powder, chaat masala, lemon juice, corn flour. This is used for binding, rice flour to give that crispiness, and salt. And now all we have to do is mix it well. Make sure you mix it with your hands. So it has been mixed well. Let's start shaping them. So I've divided the mixture into 15 equal portions, as you can see. Now I'll take one portion and we'll roll it into a flat round tikki. So in the same way we'll shape the remaining ones. So now let's deep fry them. Always deep fry a few at a time. And turn them over at regular intervals. They're nice and golden brown in color, as you can see. Let's drain them. In the same way, let's deep fry some more. So our last batch is also ready. Let's drain them. Yes, nice and golden brown, as you can see. Now let's quickly serve them. So serve these sweet potato tikkis immediately with some tomato ketchup and green chutney and enjoy it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.